Hey guys, if you've watched any of my recent videos, then you will know that I have been loving Asana lately. Asana is a project management tool that is going to allow you to organize your entire business and know exactly what you need to do each day in order to hit your biggest goals. So in today's video, I thought I would share 5 specific things that I love about Asana and that I think you will love as well. If you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Louise of louisehenry.com. I talk all about tech, systems, and entrepreneurship. So if that is something you're interested in, definitely hit subscribe down below and hit that bell icon as well so you get notified every time I post a new video. All right, so let's dive into the list. The first thing is how easy it is to add recurring tasks. So let's say that you have a team meeting every Monday. So what you're going to do is you're going to click here to add a task. You're going to type in team meeting. Then if you just click right here next to it, it's going to open up the side tab. Best practice, you're going to want to assign it. So I'm going to assign it to myself so that I get the reminder. Then I'm going to set a due date. So click on the due date and define when it's going to happen. So we know that it's going to happen every Monday. So I'm going to click here on Monday. Click here again. I'm going to add a due time. So when does this happen? Let's say 9 a.m. Then I'm going to click set to repeat. So I'm going to click that. And then you can click again where it says repeat 7 days after completion. Click on that. And you can change this to whatever repetition and interval you need. So I'm going to change this to weekly, and it's going to happen every Monday, which is automatically checked. So you're going to click done. And then as you can see, you'll get this little icon here so you know that it's repeated. Okay, great. Then of course you can continue to flesh out this task, add any description you need and any subtasks. So we have our task here. Now let's go over to the calendar here. I just want to show you how it looks. Okay, so if I check this off as though I've completed it, it's automatically going to add to the calendar for the next Monday. Ta-da! So this really comes in handy and is going to save you from typing in the same thing again and again. So it will definitely save you some time. The next one is the calendar view. This has become the main central hub of my business. I've bookmarked it and I have it open every single day and I'm checking in multiple times per day. There's a few reasons I love it so much. The first being I know exactly what I need to do every single day, but then I can also see what I've already accomplished. And the final thing is that I can color code it. I mean, who doesn't love a color-coded calendar? But in all seriousness, it does make it a lot easier for you to know exactly what needs to get done. So now we're going to go over to my tasks, and you'll see that I have the calendar view saved as default. So this has really become the central hub of my business where I can see exactly what I need to accomplish each day. There's 2 main reasons why I love it so much. The first is as I check something off with this nice little green check mark, it actually just fades away. I actually really like seeing what I've gotten done. It gives me a real sense of accomplishment. So that I feel is really nice as I go through my day. The second reason I love it so much is color coding. So as you create all of your projects, you're going to assign a color to each of them, which then corresponds with your My Task calendar here. So that for me just makes it a lot easier to understand and a lot more fun visually. So that is one of the big things I love about Asana. The third thing I love is how easy it is to switch in between the list view, board view, and calendar view. So really you can choose whichever one works best for you on that specific project. So in Asana, you have the 3 different views. I really like this, so you can pick for each project which one works best for you. So we have list view, which looks like this. Then we have the board view, which looks like this, or the calendar view. So you can choose which one works best for you to save as default, but you can also switch between the 3 different views whenever you want and whenever you want to view something differently. The fourth thing I love about Asana is how easy it makes working with teams. So it is so easy to assign tasks within Asana and also give your team member everything that they need to know in order to complete that task. So for example, if I wanted to outsource the creation of our new pop-up, I could absolutely do that. I'm just going to click right here next to it. Then I can choose to assign that. Let's say I want to assign it to Nathan. I can do that. I can give him a date I'd love for him to complete it by, and I can add all the details that he might need right here. And let's say there are any images that you need to attach to this task as well. You can simply grab that file and drag it on top of this section to attach them. And below this section, you can also have conversations related to this task. So Nathan could easily come in here and provide me with an update, and we could leave all information and conversations about this task right here in Asana. And finally, I love the fact that projects are separated into individual boards. This makes it so nice and easy to just dive in and get a focused look at what exactly needs to be completed for that one project. So rather than being distracted with all your other tasks, you're just seeing everything that needs to get done in order for this project to be completed. And then we also have this progress tab, which is fantastic for keeping your team updated on what has been accomplished and what still needs to be done. So you can come in here and set a new status update and let them know exactly what's been done. So I love that you can do this. You can set a status of whether you're on track, at risk, or off track. And up here, you can turn this on to remind you to update the status every Friday. So this is great for keeping your team in the loop and on track with your biggest goals. All right, guys, so those are 5 things that I love about Asana. Overall, it's allowed me to add more systems into my business, get organized, and keep on track with my goals more than ever before. So I'm really excited for you to give this tool a try. If you are already using it, let me know in the comments below what your favorite part of Asana is. And if you haven't used it yet, let me know in the comments below if you're going to be giving it a try. I've also created a brand new free roadmap for you that's going to show you how to organize your business with Asana. So how to leverage this tool to get more productive, streamline your business, and hit your biggest goals. So to grab that, click the link in the description below or the link appearing on screen right now, or go to louisehenry.com/Asana-roadmap. You are going to love this free roadmap. Just hit this button here that says Get My Free Roadmap, type in your name, email, and I will send it directly to your inbox. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, let me know by giving it a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, don't forget to hit subscribe, and I'll see you real soon with another video. Bye.